So let's say you only had one choice of stretch to do in the morning to get yourself going, or immediately before a workout. It would be this, the greatest stretch. And it's not called that for nothing. Check it out. Hey, so there we have it, my flexibility seeking friends. A fast, effective and efficient way of improving that range of motion and flexibility, or starting your day off on the right foot. Try this with 5 nice slow reps in the morning. And if it helps you, please drop me a comment, like, subscribe to the channel, because that'll really help and I really appreciate it. To your success, as always, Coach Ads over and out. Peace.